What's up, guys? It's Austin here with Hitchfire. Today we are out at King of the Hammers Adventure Festival, and we're going to be working on putting together a beer braised brisket for the masses. We just got done trimming this up from a full packer down to just the flat. We're going to be making some simple barbecue sauce today, putting together a slaw and making sandwiches for everybody. And we're going to go ahead and get into it now. We're going to be beer braising it today in an apricot lager we picked up from Sierra Nevada, floating around somewhere. But for now, let's go ahead and get to work on this old gal. Applying some Dijon mustard all the way around, and this is going to give us something to stick to with the dry rub we're going to put together. As we go along, you're going to kind of see I'm just throwing things together. All of our recipes will be online and available there. This will help give it a little extra flavor as well on top of just the dry rub I put together. It's a paprika-based dry rub. It's got garlic powder, onion powder, mustard powder, a little bit of cayenne, and some fresh ground black pepper. And the other thing we're going to mix with that today is actually a little brown sugar, kind of sweeten this up a little bit, balance out with the spice we're going to be getting from the barbecue sauce. Like I said, get some of our dry rub in here. I just want to be sure to incorporate the brown sugar into the dry rub. And one thing I do with my dry rub is I don't add any salt or sweetener into the main base so that I can control that depending on what the cut of meat is and whatever it is we're cooking. We're going to salt down our brisket. Dry rub, we're gonna thin slice some yellow onions, tuck that under the brisket, get this all covered up. I'm gonna do about a bottle of beer and probably about half a bottle's worth of water. And we're gonna start our cook on this. It's gonna be a good 7 hours on it. Big cut of meat wants a lot of sodium. It might look like a lot, but it needs it. There's that. And then we're going to go ahead and get this all rubbed down, flip it over, do the same to the other side, and then we're going to get our onions in here. Just want nice, even, straight through circle cuts. I'm doing, I don't know, about 1/4 inch cuts. Just giving something so that the brisket has some space between itself and the bottom of the pan we're using. It's nice too, if you're shredding up your brisket at the end, you can incorporate those in for some extra flavor. Add these into our pan here. Brisket's a nice fatty cut, as many will know, and I haven't had a need to add any oil into this. Perfect. Barbecue's just at about 250. Perfect. For this setup, I'm going to turn both burners down to low, and I've been able to hold a nice solid 250 all the way through. Got our brisket on the barbecue now. We're going to get started on some barbecue sauce, make a quick slaw setup, and bust out some sandwiches for everybody. Some nice, quick mincing, work our way through. Our game plan is we're gonna saute this up with our onions, get this going in a little bit of oil on our side burner. That guy's on a scooter. Yeah, we're out here at King of the Hammers, and there's a lot of freedom occurring today. Adding in our garlic. Boom, get that sauteing. Barbecue sauce of the day, my friend. Just want to start to get these, get a little translucent. So far this is our yellow onions, our garlic, a little bit of good old number 57 getting thrown in. I add in chipotles and adobo into my barbecue sauce. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, balance it out with some acid. Just a sprinkling of liquid smoke. Definitely, I don't like to go too heavy with that stuff. And let it simmer for 30 minutes or so, and sauce is ready. Just gonna work my way around the onion here. Nice thin slices. Nothing too thick. It's not, you don't want to be completely chewing through that in your coleslaw. What's up, dude? Super excited about this. Yeah, sandwiches are just a few minutes out here. You know, obviously got some more produce there, but we took some of the barbecue sauce we put together, blended that with some ranch I brought out here. Gonna mix that in. I'm gonna get some buns on. Cool. Pull this gal. Ah, yep, that's hot. I know what you're thinking, like, whoa, who'd have thought? The flame would make it warm. If you get meat juice in your eyes, you're doing things right. I'm out in the desert. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. Grilling with Gordos, baby. Woo! I'm actually pretty happy with how this looks. I'm gonna actually do something to make it a little tastier and hit it with some salt. I might even mix it with barbecue sauce. Oh. I'm just busting sandwiches now. Boom, baby. Beer Braised Brisket out here on the Hitchfire Forge 15. Once again, check our website for all recipe details. Time to go get these out to everybody. Beer Braised Brisket. Enjoy. Beer Braised Brisket, my friend. Enjoy. There, buddy. Enjoy, man.
So excited.